story earlier in the year.
I had I recorded the last one on Friday, which was a good one. YouTube dubbed it, I guess, because of the music we played.
Mm-hmm. Now click post, yep. Mm-hmm. Now go grab that referral link. Click trade with me. Put trade with me on Blowfin, and then put your link.
Where the hell is it at?
Home. I don't know. I think go home. Click the Blowfin logo.
I just had it.
Yep. No. Go to reward hub. What the fuck is that shit? No, go to more.
Oh.
Wait, switch it. Switch it. Go back. Click the little pencil. No, the pencil on top. Up, 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 up. Yep. Unless you want to give your stream 5% back. You could do little promos like that too. So some days you could give them 5% back, and when you're getting hot, and then you know what I mean. So you could give them 5% back if you want to.
And I'm trying to give everything back.
I bet. Trade with me on Blowfin. Sign up and get 5% back in trading fees, or 5% back. Yeah.
Before COVID, we were growing the economy faster
With
than we were growing the
put a little promo there.
that ratio would have come down, and I think we were trying to get it down to 90 to 95.
And we're live.
The big focus on the first term was military spending. We unfortunately had to increase non-military spending to get it through the House and Senate. But what really impacted us was COVID, and I think, as you know, firsthand, we had to spend a lot of money in COVID, or we would have had a worldwide depression, not recession. I think the problem was, the first $2 trillion was well spent. The next $2 trillion we never should have spent, and then the Biden administration kept on spending. So, we have debt to GDP of close to 125% today.
Right,
That's a gigantic
I gotta leave
problem.
this screen up
Secretary
real
Bessent
quick.
has talked about getting the
Do they
deficit
see
down
this?
from 6% to 3% of GDP, and that's got to be a major
Let me
focus.
just make this bigger. No.
What is going to be the consequence for U.S. markets?
We are basically deep in the European earnings season.
Take a look at how we're faring when it comes to Asian markets.
That we say is financial advice.
Bloomberg loves earnings.
I know it's like you're super.
And all that other good stuff.
Oh, Tizzo. What's up, brother?
What it do? What it do? Top of the morning.
Happy Monday, right?
Happy Monday.
Who we have in the building? Who's here?
Shit, we got a full house. I didn't even know everybody done snuck up in here.
Everybody, what's up? Don't be shy. Say hello.
Hey guys, we fucking live.
Where you live from, bro? Talk to us. Where you talking to us from? Where you
live from Nigeria. Currently trading in the votes.
Nigeria in the building.
My Nigerians in the house.
Oh, Tizzle.
I love the diversification of the vote too. We got all type of people in here. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, Tizzle in the building. The legend. Who else is here? Is the anomaly here? Are you here?
Have a mascot of like a tax accountant.
You lost them.
They could think of something
Don't
more
fuck with a
creative.
trader
Maybe
like
an
me.
Excel spreadsheet as a mascot.
Pop it. Pop. Talk your stuff. Talk your stuff.
Let's go to work for now.
It is made board director Kirk Perry its interim CEO.
Alright, got that out the way.
Immediately shares her up
4.3%. The company has been announcing a strategic review.
Here.
Again, a lot to watch, a lot of very interesting company news. We've been talking about the first half of the year, companies sitting on their hands. Some big changes.
Top down, NASDAQ. We opened up. What we doing? How the market move?
Oh my God! Look what the market just did without me.
Holy shit. Yeah, because our market just opened and I heard the green. I'm like, what the fuck just happened?
And I closed out super early, man. NASDAQ, what a crazy opening. Flew to the top side. Nasty Nas.
Well, that's just a bullish signal. I mean, markets are open, heating up.
Oh my God, I can't believe I missed this move. And I had it here, bro. Look. Check this out. Look.
Ooh.
And I took myself out with this candle. Look. This candle, I said, let me readjust. What a move. Nasty Nas. Gold. Took it gold. Let's see gold. Okay, gold.
It goes still like it's going sideways to me. Like it's an accumulation like Bitcoin was for like that chop that we were just in for like the past 2 weeks. Like, do something. Go up or down.
Gold, man. Do something, gold. Do
something. Like, bust a move already.
Bust a move on Monday.
But silver popping in the metals right now. I'll say that though. But I mean, that's just signals, bro. Like, even Bitcoin is that kind of like the same thing as gold doing right now. We seeing other metals run and catch up to gold right now, as we're seeing other altcoins run, catch up to Bitcoin right now. Similar narrative.
No pressure. You like to trade gold. Look at these two gaps for you to keep your eye on here. This one and this one. You see them? We lost them. We lost them. Silver. Let's go to silver. Hey, silver. Silver had an amazing week last week.
Beautiful week.
Yo, too, I know you got something cooking over there, bro. Talk to us.
Yeah, I'm still holding everything from last week. I mean, I haven't opened up any new position. The only other position I opened up over the weekend was IOTA.
Ooh, IOTA.
Yeah, I got a low leverage swing on him. Nothing crazy. But anticipating it to actually get some traction. Is giving me my signal. Price action crossed the 21-day move. I mean the 200-day moving average on the daily. I'm seeing a cup and handle be formed. I mean, we're forming the handle now. At this point, we go sideways and we should blast the fuck on out of here. I actually didn't chart up my targets on this though.
For IOTA, right?
Yeah.
You know what, bro?
I didn't fire off my targets because I'm low leverage swinging it. So even if we dip down, I'm probably gonna buy some. I mean, add some more to the position.
I have holding 0 IOTA, bro. Can you believe that?
It's one of them coins though. It's not easy to come across. I should say.
I can't get my hands on that. You explained to us. You think you could get it on Blowfin, right? You was telling us.
Yes, sir. You could buy it spot and you can leverage trade it. So even if you wanted to accumulate some spot, you could accumulate it on Blowfin.
W Blowfin, bro. Blowfin,
Yes,
I know you're hearing O2 over here promote you guys, bro. Send some money this way, man. Stop it. Stop.
Hey, I'm printing enough money. I love what they do. If anything, send the team some merch.
Oh,
if you're listening.
Some hats.
Send the team
shirts.
some merch. Yeah. The vault needs some merch.
Some shirts. All sizes. We'll take them all.
Yes, sir.
So we on the 1 hour. Gold.
Do you think gold is heading? Where do you think it's heading for right now?
Raging.
I would like to.
I personally say a rage due to crypto and my bias on what I've been kind of tracking for the past couple months is crypto pumps, gold doesn't move, and as gold move, crypto doesn't move, as we see now.
Right.
So I mean, it is an accumulation, as you see. The 3 phases we in that Primo is, suggests that says what are the 3? We have distribution,
yes, sir.
Accumulate, and what else? Accumulation. What's the 3rd one?
Yes, sir.
Manipulation,
yes,
distribution.
Sir.
Sorry, accumulation, distribution, and manipulation.
There we go. What part of the cycle do you think we're on? Which one do you think we are on now?
Earlier this morning, it was literally, I got shut out, but right now, does it look like distribution, or I don't think it's manipulation stage. I think it's accumulating right now.
Yes, sir. You hit it right on the head, right there. It's accumulating right now. So monitor it for, you frame it out, and because it's accumulating, you find that value area high and that value area low, and you frame that out, and you just wait, and you know what I mean? You wait for your position to come to you.
Yes, sir, bro.
Shout out to my boy Preem that taught me that one. That's a book out of Preem's book. I'm definitely learning from y'all boys too. I don't act like I know it all, but yes, definitely.
Yeah, I'm always learning something from you guys. I may not say much, but I'm listening, I'm watching, and I'm observing and see what you guys are saying. There's always something to learn. If you're not willing to learn and be open-minded, then you're just gonna box yourself out. Always be open-minded.
I'm like $10 up in gold right now.
Oh, so you're in the trade. You're active. What is your
yes, I am.
Let's see where you at. What is your entry?
I entered at 3350.2.
3350. 50?
Yes, 3350.
Oh my god. You have a nice entry.
That's it.
350 what?
350.2.
0.2.
That's the sell side.
You have.
You sniped it like that way.
You have an amazing entry right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. So you over here somewhere?
Yes, the sell side of New Week Open of
That's
Sunday.
how you lock in. You see your model, you take that shit,
bro.
Once you hit your target, take it.
My target right now, do you think is going to hit? I set my first target for like 3369.
3369. So you have a target of somewhere up here. 69 is where? 69 is here. Over here somewhere. You know what? I like it.
Yeah, I like it too. I like it.
I like it. It's trading the internal range, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not only that, it hit the bottom of this NWOG, of this week's NWOG, right?
Yes.
And in that, there's a gap here. So what we would like to see is have bodies in this. And now we have market open, right? Let me see.
Yes.
Let me just show you, right? Real quick, go to NASDAQ. Let me see if it did it. Let me go to regular trading hours. Let me refresh this.
I like it though. It bounced pretty nice off of that. Wicks tell to do the damage, and that's a wick. So, and my model, as I'm looking at, it's above the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute. I mean, that's bullish.
Right here, my bad. You did that one on your own, brother. That was an amazing scout.
Yeah, beautiful. Well, hey, I'm proud of you, Press. Hey.
I'm still getting there. I'm not still.
I told you, Press been in this bitch sniping, dog.
Savage.
You're catching a couple headshots now too, boy.
Precious. you guys are all killing it, bro. You guys are just too good. Too good. O2 got a what? Fucking P&L for like over 1,000, bro. How? How did you do that? How?
Sometimes I wonder how it does that.
Patience, man.
Tell us how you did that, please.
Shit,
we're gonna win so much, you may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please,
my
please,
first one of last week was Solo
We can't take it anymore, Mr.
My first one from last week was Sologenic. Basically, we've been tracking that one from XRP Ledger days. If you know, you know. But I hold a lot of Sologenic spot as well. I hold a decent bag. It's really an AMM paired with XRP. But seen an entry on Sologenic, and I caught a nice entry at 24 cents on Sologenic and rolled it up to 40. That was one of my first 1,000% gain of last week. And then I also got an entry on H-Bar at 16 cents. Rolled that one up to what, 23 yesterday, 24 cents yesterday. Yeah, it's been a crazy weekend. Oh shit, we actually called. I would have had probably a 20%, 20,000% off of fucking XLM, boy, if we would have. Hey, we called that one in the vault. Definitely scalped him out. But oh damn! And then I forgot about my meme coin gamble. I threw some shit at a meme coin and went 1,000% too.
Which one?
B.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I forgot about him.
Supreme, did you think gold has done or first presented fair value gap already?
Let's see. We're gonna do it together, right?
Look at Plum right now.
Like
Plume or Plum?
Whatever, I don't know. How do you say it?
Nah, it do though. It's building a nice flag right there. I mean, I'm still just right there in my position. I'll definitely have.
I'm about to look at Plume, see if we catch some. Or somebody catch some, right? Let me just do this.
It's a high risk, high reward play, but I mean, there's not that much downside if we low leverage swing it. There really isn't that much downside, and validation is right there. Like,
yeah, like what would you say, like 10.25-ish?
For what, invalidation?
Yeah, or like.
No, I would say about, if we break 9 cents and we start closing candles on the hourly below 9 cents, or even a 4 hour. Let me look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's at 9 cents, about 9.5. If we start closing a candle underneath that 9.5, let me spot that.
Yeah.
Give me a second, I'll pull up my charts. Switch computers.
You gonna share your screen?
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready. In the meantime, yo, Precious, no first presented fair value gap as of yet. Nothing here. So what are we doing now, right? What we're gonna do is to measure, right? Our last leg up and measure that leg up. This leg here to the last high. Then mark midway, which is over here where this breaker structure is. Since you're over here down here, we want to make sure that the trade continues going up and does not start trickling down under this break even or under this breaker structure.
Yes.
If you start coming and start seeing candle closures under there, that should indicate to you they have interest to go lower. So if you see that, consider putting a stop loss in front of your entry, so you don't have turn this winning trade into a loss. At worst case scenario, you at break even now. But as of yet, I'm seeing consolidating now, right? Building more buys and sells right here. Right?
Yes.
It swept this here, and now it's coming back up. They'll probably consolidate a little bit more, then it'll start distributing. Where? Not sure yet. But as first target, hold on, my bad. First target would be, what's most obvious to me is these equals highs here.
Which one?
I'm charting it now.
Okay.
This right here. That's first target.
Yes.
And then if you see come sweep that, obviously monitor it, because what do you see here? There's a NWAP, right? To come sweep this, and I don't want to see it to start trickling back down here. Continue momentum to the upside. And if it continues momentum to the upside, next target would be here. First target here, second target here. By this time, you should already be up nicely. Up nicely, right? That's what I think. To take out yesterday's highs, Sunday's highs, come sweep that for a minimum target. If it doesn't decide to start ranging, because it could range all day, you know what I mean? You might have just caught this move. That might have been the move for the day, and it might do a whole bunch of up and down. But your eyes should be here on this breaker structure. And we measured this leg up to this leg up high, and midway was right here. The equilibrium was right here, right? As of yet, look, it has no interest to come even touch it. If anything, what did it do? It broke structure here. That should kind of like indicate to you, like, that's giving up the ghost. Now it has more interest to go higher.
Yes.
I think you did an amazing job, bro.
Thank you very much. I'm learning from the best.
You did an amazing job. You did that one on your own, bro. Good stuff, man.
Nah, shout out to you first.
Good stuff, good stuff. You ready, Presh?
Yes, I'm up.
I mean, no, not Presh. O2, my bad.
Yeah, I'm about to share now. Hopefully this shit don't start lagging.
Yeah, let me know you're ready.
I'm on. You see me?
Hold on, give me go to Discord real quick, put the disclosure thing up for like a couple seconds.
No, I'm super excited that the vote is now live, because you told me about it for a while ago before you even started teaching me, and now the vote is live now. So that's awesome. So you guys need to join the vote and start making and start printing. No jokes.
You did that bad boy on your own, bro. Check you out. We watching.
Oh, y'all see me?
We watching you too. You on?
Yeah, my apologies, guys. I lost chaos. I'm trying to lock in here. I don't know. I got stuck with the kids again today, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'll be around.
All good. Bro, it's all good, bro. We'll put anything up. We about to chart up a Plume chart. Plume looks like a go, but I mean, do you got anything open right now or no? We lost him.
Busy morning. This guy's rich guy, man. He famous.
But we got here Plume. I'm gonna do a top down. I'm gonna go from the daily on down. See what so y'all can see what I'm looking at. It's a fairly new coin. Doesn't have that much history. We go back to January 25. This is launched around the same price that we're sitting at now, but as you can see, price action over since January till now. Boom, we actually kind of just double bottomed. I'm going to zoom in a little bit here on current price action. I use moving averages, so I have my 21-day moving average and my 9-day moving average, and I use patterns. So right now, the pattern I see is, and this red line right here is called the point of control. This is the point of control, and I could verify that because it's sitting out right here. This is the volume, the high volume node, so we call this the point of control. Why I say this is a nice juicy entry, because then I start framing it out. I see a nice flag being formed right here. I don't know if you guys see it, but I see the flag. This is now on the daily, so mind you, we're still on a higher time frame. We're gonna zoom in after I frame it out like this, so I can see what I'm looking at on a bigger time frame to see general direction on where we're going. This is how I kind of catch my plays like that. So boom, price action is now basically bouncing in this flag. It's getting tight right here at point of control on the daily. I see a double bottom being formed right here, a bottom here and here. You get what I'm saying? It kind of double bottomed here, and it impulsed nicely and consolidating now and creating a bull flag right at POC on the daily. Oh wow, damn, I got my RSIs up on this computer. I'll also look at the RSI. RSI is not all the way up here overextended, like as you see here. When RSI is overextended, as you see here, it came down because it wanted to sell, so we started coming down on the downtrend. So here we still have, it's kind of just bouncing, same thing as I see, bouncing right at POC, even fair value, right? We're right at dead smack equilibrium, like I guess that's what Primo called it. So go now, I'm gonna zoom into now my 1 hour. Look at that, bouncing right off of POC. How I said it's actually kind of like the perfect entry right now. And now I can see my moving averages, my now 200-day moving averages come into play, because now we have more time. My 200-day, we will look for price to get above this. Well, it's getting very tight. When price gets above this 200-day mover, this purple line, I'm ready to long. But I already framed out my position. This is now the POC. I mean, that would have been a nice entry right there. I would take my stop loss now. Okay, where do I want to, I wouldn't say stop loss, where do I want to go to be like, okay, this will be, fucking shit is so small. I'm not used to doing this shit on this computer, bro.
you
so now I'm like, okay.
You're good on this end. It looks good. It's not
hey, I'm used to my, you know, I'm used to the G9, so this doing it on a fucking small screen is like, god damn. But
it looks good on this end.
This will be my validation right here. Cause okay, if we break down out of this flag, as we see here, we're still on the 1 hour. It's still at POC. Price is right there at POC. This red line is POC. It's sticking out right here on the high volume node. So if we fall out of this flag, the next stop would come is here, because you see there's no volume to fill any here. I mean, this is a gap, a volume gap right here. So I would honestly put my stop or invalidation probably about right here at where it begins, as you see here. Put it right here at where it begins. That would be my invalidation. We can make that orange. Orange is invalidation for now. So if price comes below this, that's where I'll be, okay, I'm kind of getting validated. So I'll probably have my stop like probably a little bit under that if I want to be risky on this trade. Next stop was targets now. So from here, usually targets happen as the length of the pole and on a bull flag if we break structure, if we break out to the upside. So I'll clone this, drag this over, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna line up with one of the nodes. Perfect, all right, you see? It lines up with all the nodes. Well, yeah, lines up with it, see? Now as I zoom out some more, POC on a higher time frame with all this is where POC is with all of this data. So okay, cool. If we break out from here, I know this is now an attraction for prices. This is where all the volume is. This is where all the volume was in the past. Up here at 17 cents. There's a lot of people trapped in at this price up here. So first targets would now be smacking them nodes, them high volume nodes. My first target would be here. I'm gonna put targets as yellow. My next target would be there. Oh, fuck, wrong one.
I like this trade.
Yeah, and we can put one here. So these are the yellow lines are targets. Red line would be invalidation. So let's see what the risk reward ratio would be if we long this from here. That would be the trade.
I like it, bro. I think I might partake in this one.
That would be the trade. Low leverage it. You don't gotta go stupid crazy on the leverage. It is a low cap, so it moves violently. But this is now on the hourly. We could zoom in a little closer on the 15, and you can see it's right in this flag. It's still right. It's consolidating right in this flag. It's gonna get tight. It's gonna get tight. It's gonna get tight. It's gonna make a decision. As long as we stay in this flag and we don't come to this orange line, which will be, you know what I mean, kind of it's validation, if you know what I mean. But that's why I'm a low leverage it, to where even when we come to this line, I'm not liquidated at this line. You know what I mean? I can make a decision. Do I want to add because I can see it violently starting to pick up volume, or do I want to, you know, close the trade because Trump said something about bombing whoever the fuck? You feel me? You know what I mean?
What's the indicator on the side there for the low volume?
Click here.
Yeah.
VRVP. VR. Yeah. Put VR, and then it's yeah. Just put VR, and then it's volume profile visible range. Added two more. And you got to do a setting on it too. So watch my screen. Give me a second. So when you pull it up, click the setting here too. So it's just a VRVP, and then go to inputs, and it's just say row size. The row size, change that to 240.
Screenshot that. Screenshot it, people. Screenshot it.
And then it'll make it like shit. It should be like this now. All right.
VRP here, more. Then we go to visual order. You said.
No.
Setting.
All right, I'm gonna exit out. I'm gonna exit out and do it one more time so you can see.
240. Row size, right?
Yeah. Row size. Yeah.
240. Okay, you got it.
Because if you just add it, it's gonna look retarded like this. So you go to settings over here. Yeah. You go to settings and go to input, and it say row size. Change that to 240.
Okay.
And then boom.
And the color, I guess you just modify your own color, right?
I leave it yellow and blue. I think it's default yellow and blue. The only thing I would modify is this POC line. I actually what I usually have it is dotted, and I have it white.
Pressure's asking for you to throw that trade into the chat.
No, I'm talking about yours for gold.
Oh, go.
And which MAs do you guys use?
I'll put it in there.
I got a bunch of MAs here. I don't even know.
Okay, I'm gonna show you how I set up my MAs too. I got 3 of them, just 3, and I use the 921 and the 200. So my 9 is blue. Or I usually have this white. It don't matter. This one stays relative to price action. I don't really pay attention to the 9 as much. So the two main important ones are the 21 and the 200. These are the two I actually follow the most. I always have my 21 as gold and my 200 is purple. So 21, I'll come here, input, change the length to 21, and change the style to yellow. Okay. And then the same thing for the 200. Input the length. Yeah, input the length, 200, style. I mean, your color preference could be whatever you want. You don't have to go with my color preference, but it's just the input. Because even it tells you over here. So even if I just see you a screenshot of your chart, I wouldn't have to ask you which one is which, because you can see here, say 200, and you see it's purple. And then my 9 over here is blue. And then my, you know what I'm saying? So I could kind of see which the moving area, that's where you would kind of see which one is which. But
9,
21 and 9, 21 and 200.
Okay.
Yeah. I don't know why this one is in the middle, but I can move that, but it don't matter. But 9, 21 and 200. And then I use the RSI.
Yeah.
I'll flick on the MACD every now and then too. And y'all see me do a lot of my charting on Blowfin for entry purposes, because you know you go to TradingView, it would be different prices and shit like that. So I kind of like charting on, setting it up on where I'm gonna actually take the trade. And also I don't pay for TradingView, so right now I don't have this VRVP shit on TradingView. It won't give me access to this, so it's actually pretty cool that they let you have this. Yep. I'm gonna put this out in there.
Think about taking this mode too.
I'm in 65, but I only dipped my toes in $25, 10x. So
it's at entry right now, right?
I'd like to double it up, put $50, 10x. Waiting to see if it comes back down to like 68.
What's the ticket for that? Plum USDT?
Yeah.
Plume.
Plume, my bad.
Man, I always called it Plum.
Yo, I just said it myself.
Yeah.
All right, Plume, I'm in. Called by the legend himself, Otizo. OT, shout out.
I've been trading that for a minute though. I smacked a nice long on it the other day.
Oh shit, I fucked up. I didn't want a 3x. God damn it. Fuck. Oh my god. It's alright. It's alright. Good stuff, OT, man. I'm still watching you, bro.
True and Plum.
Yeah, I just entered low leverage. I was trying to ante up some, but I didn't pay attention to my my leverage in the bar.
Always
add. Yeah, I would say low leverage this one, because this one you could probably add to. If you go in and like, if you're gonna take the Plume trade Presh, this one is gonna probably be a cooker for you. Like, this one could be a cooker for you where you just slowly just add to it over time. Like, you don't have to chase this one. I wouldn't chase this one.
No.
With XRP moving anyway, so you know what I mean. I would rather you just go
double up on XRP.
No, I've not entered this one yet. When XRP comes down, that's when I'll enter, or whenever is a good time for me to enter XRP, I'll enter again. Right?
Yep. Don't overtrade. You're right. Let it come to you. You just heard what Metzi said. Let's check out what the dominance is looking like.
Going down a little bit because alts are coming back.
Ooh.
So it looks like it's gonna flop.
Talk to us. What do you see?
Ooh.
Just getting close to the bottom of the RSI.
And not really. It still got ways. It still got ways.
4 hours, super far.
Yeah. That's why I kind of like looking at that on a larger time frame, because shorter time frames kind of give you false narrative.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. This I can't really use the RSI on this chart on here because it's kind of new on Blowfin, so they don't have all the history. But I do see downtrend. Is underneath the point of control, so I mean, if I flip this upside down, you would think this is bullish. Yeah, see, if I flip this upside down, now you think it's going up, right? Doesn't look like that's about to go up and break out.
Yeah.
Hey, look, I'm gonna frame it out like this is how you catch shorts. When it's time to flip short, this is exactly what the fuck I'm gonna do. Flip the fucking chart upside down. I'm gonna do exactly this. Cause this looks bullish. Like, you know, we biased. Like, okay, yeah, this looks like okay, shit, bet. All right. You know what I mean? Just let price keep bouncing in and out of here. This is probably a point of interest right here. Horizontal line. There. There. Goes green. That will be where I want to enter at. High volume node, high volume node. So anywhere in between here, I want to either buy this bottom or enter in this pocket. You know what I mean? Or if we, you know what I mean? If we lose this pocket, we coming down here back to POC too. But honestly, I think it will just bring this 200-day moving average up. So what I would see is it eventually bringing this up. Price chops up and down here, but once it brings this up and touches, they'll finally break.
Yeah.
And this is an inverted scale, so that's what it looks on the bottom side.
Love it.
Oh, that's the dominance right there. And here go another indicator on the dominance where I know dominance is falling. This is now my other indicator on dominance. ETC, BTC. This looks like it's going up. We're above the point of control. It just broke out, honestly. I see the same thing that if I was going on Bitcoin dominant. Trend line. Honestly, start from the bottom. You build your pole from the bottom of the wick. Boom. To the top. And then the bottom, usually right here where it doubled out at. And now you can flag this out. Honestly, and you want to kind of come to point like that fill this gap right here. I'm pretty sure we'll want to fill this gap before we blast off. So I'm gonna draw my flag like that. Come to the gap. So same narrative. I see it bringing this 21-day moving average up. When price comes down and actually touches it, same shit. And if I flip this upside down, it looks like it's gonna dump. So yeah, ETH BTC and Bitcoin dominance is looking like it wants to do what we want. I put that out in the Volt too. We was knocking. Once we did cross POC, like I was calling this when we were up here. Oh damn, I'm inverted right now. Shit. I was calling this reversal down here. Somewhere down here. You don't know if you remember I had this chart up. I was like, look, we're building higher lows here on the ETH BTC. We came right to the 200-day moving average. We see once price got above it, what happened? That's long. That's a long all day. As soon as price action went above the 200-day moving average, the 21 crossed the 200-day moving average. Long all day. I won't be looking to short until that 21 either starts closing below this 200-day moving average. Then it's like, okay, shit, now it's time to short. And I could go on a whole nother chart and have the same narrative. Let's go to Bitcoin and see. I could give that whole same narrative with the moving averages. Bitcoin, I could do this proof the same thing. Price crossed the 200. Long. That's a long right there. Get my ruler. Every time price crossed the 200. Price crossed the 200. That's a 3% gain in Bitcoin. It wicked down, it crossed the 200 again. 2%. And then it's been actually bouncing off of it. That's another one of my indicators. If we don't close below it, hey, that's long all day, baby. We could go out in a higher time frame too, and it's the same narrative. It's the same narrative. This would have been the time to get into our long. This is back at 50K. But you know what I mean? If you're looking at it on a daily, this is when we dip below. That's why I've been bullish all this time on everything. Price crossed the 200 back in 5.3. I had my bullish signal 5.3. It crossed the 200. If we would have long here, once that crossed, it would have been up. Let's see. It's a 28% gain from when it crossed. And you would have been trading this flag here. I mean, you didn't even have to long this shit down here. Like like I said, my model is this crosses, you should look for a short. I mean, if you were looking for, you know what I mean, you didn't have to just, you feel me? You could have shorted this when it crossed. When it crossed and came down, that's when we had all that little panic scare in March. You could have, when it crossed, you could have got 13%. I would have put stop loss right above. You know what I mean? But, you know, we would have paid ourselves on the way down. And then you would have waited. Now you watch price action. You came back, build this flag up. You didn't even have to trade none of this. You didn't have to trade none of this to get this gain. This is on the daily.
I traded that. It got cooked.
Exactly. So I just sat there and watched it. I'm like, look, boys, I'm like, look, we just crossed here. It's consolidated here right at POC. I'm like, yo, we right at the POC. We was chopping here all this time. And then we finally broke. Did the same fucking thing. Same narrative. But we're above the 200-day moving average. So there was no reason for me to short yet. Zoom in a little closer. Now if I want to eye up an entry, that same thing, that same narrative flies. Above the 200, you could long, which is that purple line. You see the light, it crossed here. I mean, I'm not in the short market, so it's going against trend. So as soon as it crossed and you get a flag, now I like flag. Look, price action touch came up. I didn't have to trade none of this. Seen the flag because it got away from the 200-day moving average. So now I could just flag this out. Wait till, like I said, price come back and touch the 200-day moving average, make a decision. We're in uptrend, so price gonna come and touch. Boom! Look at that. %6 gain on Bitcoin, and I see it doing the same exact thing now. Let's see now. You can see this here. I see a flag here too. It kind of broke. It already broke out. I mean, it was a tight flag. Price came down. What? Price came down, touched the 200-day moving average, and had to make a fucking decision. Are we going up or down? Decides to go up. Nice gain. Same thing is gonna happen over here. Price gonna come down, touch the 200-day moving average. Well, this is not a 5-minute. If I want to get in on the 5-minute on Bitcoin, this is what I'll be looking at. Right here, now this 5-minute. It might have been our entry right here. You see how close it got to the 200-day moving average? But you can still wait. I want to see it drag up this moving average. Bring this up into the flag. Price action come and touch it. And either, you know, do something like that. And that's what we've seen how many times already? What happened here? It happened here. You know what I'm saying? So I actually trade patterns and shit like that and go off a volume nose on the side too. With Bitcoin, while I'm not really trading it, this isn't fucking, there's no fucking territory up here. Like, there's no volume up here for me to go off of right now. That's why I haven't been touching that shit. It's kind of in uncharted territory at this point. That's what we call uncharted territory.
Bitcoin looking spooky, huh?
I haven't watched it. Let me go to ETH. Let's look at ETH. Let's see what ETH doing. That's honestly what I've been trading.
I like ETH.
Same narrative, right? What I say about that 200-day moving average, right? 21 across the 200 to the downside, look for a short. What happened? It finally crossed back above. It wicked down. That was yesterday when we were all up. But I'm like, look, my invalidation, it wicked right down to my invalidation. But I'm like, bro, no. You feel me? Cross right back over here. Whoop. Yo, goddamn. Holy shit. What the fuck just happened? Did you see price action crossed above? Long. Price action, you could have caught this short too, because I mean, you seen price action break above. I mean, shit, you just get a short. It got back above, you could take a long. But I usually fire off my action. I try to keep my price as close to this 200-day moving average. So when I see something too far, right now this is on the 4-hour. This is where I say it's overextended, and you can even see it on the RSI. So on the 4-hour, I'm like, damn, I can't get an entry right here. 200 is way too far from the 200. But we could scroll in a little bit. The 15 minutes still got some pushing though. As you see, the 15 is not too far, and if I wanted to get in, I'm gonna scroll down even more. Damn, we might have missed our entry. This is when you should have longed it. soon as we cross. But we could flag this out for a quick little scout if we wanted to and see some targets. Oh, computer being real stupid right now. And wait for the 21 to come up into this flag. That's when I'll fire off this long on the 5 minutes. So we'll watch price action, let it chop around, let it do what it want to do. As soon as it touches, that's when I'm going. But watch this 200-day moving average on the 5 minute. When price comes down and touches it, it's gonna get very reactive. It does it every time. So once it gets reactive, you'll see the trend of the direction of where it wants to go. If you want to fire off your long or your short, but you make your decision. I will actually long it just because of the trend market. So I'll frame this up like this. Mind you, like I said, my invalidation would be right up underneath the start of this flag. So this will be invalidation, and it kind of lines up as you see. If we fall out of the flag, there's no volume here. It will want to fill all of this shit. So you can have a little area of invalidation right here. Orange line for invalidation. Targets now would be the length of the pole. Fuck. That's target. That's tip top target. You know, we break out and hit the top of the pole. That's tip top target. And let's zoom out so we could confirm that. Pretty sure there's a volume, something sitting there. Yeah, look. Sit right there. Price chop is like, yeah, support. I mean, resistance gonna be right here. It's exactly where we fell from. So you see this, that would be closing all of this down. That all this downtrend. It'll finally be theoretically in an uptrend. We hit that target. So that's on the 4 hour too. Back to our 5 minute. See what I said? Let price chop around in this flag and see what it do. Let it come down to that 21. Let's see if we get this one.
Yeah, she just called me. No problem.
XRP 301. XRP 301. Let's check him out.
Hello, Heather. I think you just called me to schedule an appointment for the photography, right? So when did you say?
Oh shit. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Fucking shit.
Yo, my bad, guys. I was on the phone with the realtor trying to schedule these appointments. How we looking? Where we at?
XRP 301.
I got you on the screen though too. XRP 301 you said?
Yeah.
Wow.
Honestly, because this was my old flag, I'm gonna do it off of price action now. We could say it was in this bull flag right here. This is on the 4 hour too. We could say XRP, and it just broke out realistically. Because you could say this is the 4 hour mega bull flag right here. So I'm gonna give you my stupid bullish target on XRP right now, because you know I'm stupid swinging this one. So clone that one there. My target. This brings us to $17, $18. That's my bullish scenario right now.
$18. Wow. I ain't mad at it.
First stop, as you see, is 350. This will be first stop at the top of here, 350. And then I ain't chart none of this over here, but because you know this is uncharted territory, so I mean first stop will be 350, and we gonna clear that. We gonna hit that, and then when all this uncharted territory, I feel like we going to 18. Just off of, you see the flag, like the consolidation. It's been consolidated. This was November 2024. This was the November 2024 shoot up. We shot up from 50 cents on up to $2.80. I mean, we topped out up here at 350, but you see it's been consolidating in this flag evenly. And we could say we finally broke out. I mean, we all know we just kind of changed trend direction, and you could clearly see it. So after we get to 250, that's first target number one. I mean, because I ain't have to go zoom out. We already long and all this, but first target would be 350, and then after that, it's uncharted territory. I could say next target would be the tip top of that flag. So if you want to have two safe targets at breakout, because you know it likes to wick at all-time high. It usually wicks and doesn't close bodies in that shit. You can have two take profits right there. So $3.50 and $4. First two take profits. After you take profits off of that long, you just let that ride.
Let it ride.
And position yourself. Honestly, that's what I've been doing. I've been positioning myself all the way down here. At like 230, 240, my average right now, because I've been buying on the way up too as well. Like I've been buying these dips. I bought a dip yesterday. So my average right now is sitting right here. I'm at like 260. So on the line. Yeah, average is right here.
Yeah, we still early for XRP. Get in now.
That's,
before you get priced
the green
out.
is where my money's at right now on the chart. I hit my first target. Well, I've already hit targets out of this flag, so now I'm just saying, I hit this target, that's another take profit.
Listen, we're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning, and you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore.
That's kind of all I got today, man. Shit, man. I ain't really looking at too much other shit. What else you looking at? What you got today?
Nothing really. I was just had you on the main stage, you know, seeing what you see, so giving us your TA and your outlook of what you think is gonna happen.
I mean, the charts are telling me this is not an area where you would want. You should stick to your model. You don't want to complicate things too much, because if you just revenge trade, because you know what I mean, you get mad, you're gonna get wrecked. You know what I mean? Stick to your models, stick to your invalidations, and yeah, let's have fun. That's what I say.
Let's have fun, enjoy yourself, enjoy the process.
Look at Pump Fun.
Let's look at Pump Fun. What you thinking, man?
Fucking shit. Should have shorted this bitch. It's dumping. It's dumping. And I see downtrend.
I don't like it. Scary to trade, right?
Yeah.
You just never.
I would have.
You just never know with these bad boys.
You could say that's the trend, I guess. It looks kind of dumpy to me. PLC is already up here, but I mean, it theoretically, if it doesn't bounce off of this volume node, it's dumping. This volume node right here, if it doesn't bounce off of that, we dumping. It's the, well, I ain't gonna say we, but if it don't bounce off of this volume node, it's gonna come down to fill this shit, fill this wick. It's gonna fill this wick. It's gonna fill this wick.
Pump Fun, huh? Pump Fun is not pumping at the moment.
Let's look at Bonk, cause that should be the I guess the competitor, right?
I'm hearing some lovely things about Bonk, man.
Fuck yeah, Bonk look nice compared to fucking Pump Fun. Shit.
What's the market cap right now at Bonk?
Let's see.
I'll tell you this much, I would sure like to own some. Is that 2 billion? Right?
Yeah.
2 billion, wow. Impressive.
It's in the top 50. Well, it's almost in the top 50.
Go Bonk.
Oh shit. Man, for real.
Whoever caught
Well,
that,
you could've got-
whoever caught that one, well, you should be
If you
up.
had that in 2023, you up.
Huh?
If you would have bought this shit in 2023, they up.
Oh, you want to go today?
Right.
All right, we go at 12.
That shit burnt a couple zeros.
What you Bonk?
1, 2, 4. That shit burnt 2 zeros since 2023. %77% in 30 days. Shout out Bonk. Let's see what's hot. What's trending? Ton coin. Now, shout out now. I think he's in a ton coin trade, right? I think so. Oh no, he tailcoin. Pingu, shout out Pudgy Penguin. Them boys doing things. I think Uphold listing pushed them boys. Wallet Connect got a token?
So it looks like these Solana coins be going crazy, huh? You pick a right coin and you get in? Oh my god.
It's on Maxi.
XRP next, right?
Know about that Wallet Connect token though.
What about Sui?
This is the trend.
How's Sui doing?
Sui looking good. I'm on CoinGecko right now. Sui looking good though. I'm not gonna lie. Damn. Fuck. Almost $4. Hey, Sui gonna hit $5 before XRP. Damn, Sui almost up there in percentage gain for like XRP. 381% on the year. That's not bad. Shout out Sui. I think, let's see what XRP is on the year. I think it's like 4.
ain't mad at it. I'll take it. 4%. I ain't mad at it.
400, not 4. Yeah, damn, we almost
400% for the year.
460 on the year, boy. 460 on the year. And Bitcoin is only up 100.
Bitcoin.
What up, guys?
Sayarad. What's up, my brother?
You know.
Talk to us. How you feeling?
Feeling good. No. Just to get that trade going.
What you win?
You eating?
What happened?
What you win?
How's it going?
It's going good. Last night was pretty dope. I take half profit before I went to sleep. That shit really just touched it just touched it, bro, literally, and came back down. When I had that 380, I had put it at 3777. That shit touched it, came right back down. I went to bed. I still got half in there going. Haven't done anything else though.
You still in that XRP trade?
Yeah.
Check you out.
Yeah, I just put my stop loss a little higher now, but took half last night at 380.
Pay yourself, brother. Let's look at the trending coins.
And but I didn't do nothing else though. I just been
fucking turbo on God mode, boy. Whoever took my turbo call, shout out to you, bro.
You not in no more? You closed out?
I never took it.
Oh, you didn't take I
never took it.
Ouch.
Shit, boy.
Catch another one, right?
Yeah, I ain't mad at it. At least somebody, I think Johnny caught it. Johnny or Ziggy, one of the two.
Man, honestly, I sniped it, and then it was the morning where we had like a little bit of a pullback. I panicked, got out of the trade, and then it just ripped.
I mean, you gotta win on it, so that's all that matters, man.
Oh, man.
On to the next one.
Fucking Fed. Why did I get in this trade this morning? God damn piece of shit.
What are you in?
Fed just fucking like a sack of shit.
Oh no.
About to stop.
Fucking Moodang.
Plume is alright, just kind of hanging in there.
Oh, I'm in the plume. Plume.
It'd be plum from now on. Okay.
Listen, forgive me if I'm getting it wrong, but I might just continue saying plume on accident.
Plume, same shit.
Yeah. Wow. Send it.
Send it, plume. I'm in. I'm in.
I guess BTC's having a pullback, huh? Let's take a look. I got notification here under 121.
Gold having a pullback too. What happened?
Typical. Fucking crypto week started.
Fresh. I hope he had to stop.
I think he might have crashed out, fellas. He might have crashed out. He said, I'm out of here. I'm going on tilt.
I hope he had to stop.
Fresh.
XCN. Shout out XCN. Let's look at XCN. XCN on XC. Fuck, XCN looks beautiful too. It just it looks damn near like fucking stellar, bro. Sheesh. You could say it just broke from the downtrend. Same narrative as fucking XRP. I won't say narrative, not narrative, but similar setup.
Things are pumping on a Monday. Let's go back over here. Catch something.
I might take XCN, I'm not gonna lie.
You got something?
Low level too.
Plume, up and down on Plume a little bit. Not stressing.
Yeah, I told y'all low leverage that one, bro.
Oh yeah, I'm on 3x leverage.
Okay, yeah, you can ride that one, bro. You ain't even gotta breathe about that.
Yeah, I'm not. Anything I'll scale back in.
XCN. Sheesh. Got 146% to the top. What is XCN? What do they do?
I'm not sure.
Strong buy. Single and strong buy. Let's see. Let's find out. Let's read about it. That's how we do our deep dive.
You listening?
XCN. The Onyx protocol is shared multiple asset blockchain platform to make digital assets management easier and secure. It functions like a superpowered digital ledger that enables different networks to work together while maintaining strict control over their assets. This system is governed by XCN token holders through the decentralized organization DAO, ensuring community-driven community-driven decision making. Wow, I ain't gonna lie, that's pretty bullish. Technology. You hold any XCN?
Nah.
It's on Ethereum contract. That's pretty bullish though, I'm not gonna lie.
XCM.
XCN.
If you haven't entered Plume, now would be a good time to enter.
Might scale back in for a big position.
Yeah, you could buy more here.
Yeah, he had 3x. I told him low leverage too. I'm low leverage Sonya, so yeah, I was scared in a little.
Bitcoin's at the range low here itself. It's either gonna dump past here, then we could be in trouble. There's that fair value gap on the 1 hour and 4 hour. There's a few fair value.
For what? You said Bitcoin?
Yeah, Bitcoin like on the 1 hour, it's at the range low.
What you thinking, lower?
Well, it's either gonna bounce here, then the Plume chart looks like it's at your trend line resistance.
I just scaled in.
So either Bitcoin's gonna bounce here and we got a great entry, or we're gonna get roasted on this one. One of the two.
I mean, RSIs look oversold on the 15-minute too. Yeah, same thing. It's either we bounce here or we dump. Across that 21-day moving average. I would like for them to pull this shit up, so I need this 21 to get pulled up. I mean, I do see a little pullback or sideways consolidation.
I ain't gonna lie, these bears are getting wrecked, trying to short it, they're getting liquidated. It's a difficult call to try to short anything right now, right?
At least pull back to 119 if worst case.
119. Okay.
Oh, that would be bullish case and then bounce off of that. You trading Bitcoin, Messi? I haven't traded Bitcoin this whole time, bro.
No, I haven't really even looked. I just took the trade with you guys on Flume. I probably have a very low-key day, so I'll just kind of piggyback off what you guys are doing. I'm listening, but I'm not really engaged, you know?
Yeah, I'm liking Flume. It's still bouncing. It's curving off of that 200-day moving average. It's looking nice. As long as we don't get invalidated on that, we should be good, though.
Yeah, Bitcoin off of that. What is it? 0.382 Fibonacci. Right on it right now. Is it gonna hold or is it gonna flop?
I think it might go grab that fair value gap there.
What level?
Like 120.
Yeah, okay. The 0.5 fib.
On the 1 hour?
Yeah, on the 1 hour.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the 750, that's where it's going.
But we'll see. Maybe it's gotta hold. It's gotta hold here.
Hold.
I didn't even realize we hit 120, bro. Fuck me. What the fuck did it go up to? What did it wick up to?
123.
Holy shit.
Wow, that was like 3 a.m. Yeah. When we woke up, it was like 121. 7 a.m. 121.8.
This is what I'm seeing so far. I'm posted in the chat. All Bitcoin.
Bitcoin being stupid.
Slight little pullback.
Can somebody tell me what this ISO shit's supposed to do? Like, what's the first, like, what is it? Are we gonna see a difference in anything? Like, what is it? Does it do anything?
I'm not too sure, bro. I do know it's a messaging system it's a bank code that the banks use to send money and stuff and transfers and stuff like that. But let's read what it says. Electronic data interchange between financial institutions. Yep, that's what I said. What else is it saying? ISO 222 is widely used in financial services, include the SWIFT system. It is the successor of the old system, ISO 15022. So that's the old system. Adoption. Let's see. The United States Federal Reserve FedWire Fund Service will begin using ISO 222 messaging format on July 14, 2025. The Federal Reserve's FedNow instant payment service also uses ISO 222 messaging. Not really saying much. It's all saying it's being implemented into the SWIFT. So they probably will be using any ISO 222 compliant token sooner than later, right?
Shit, I don't know if they'll be using, but if they could message with it, then they'll probably be transacting to where, like, you see, I mean, they might use it, but I'm pretty sure we'll probably see like JP Morgan or BOA like be able to have it in our banking app. Like we'll be able to have a section for Bitcoin in our banking app. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Like I'm pretty sure that's probably will be the bullish case of what I interpret out of that shit. You feel me? Where now, like as you see, the banks will have the messaging capability to where, like I said, I could send Bitcoin from my Bank of America app to your Chase app. You feel me? And so on and so forth. So I guess we'll get transactions that way. And Swift, I guess, will run it in the background too, because the messaging goes through. So if we go to a merchant and I have Bitcoin on my Bank of America, in my Bank of America, I could swipe my card and I guess have it spend the Bitcoin and messaging. I would assume, I guess. That's what I would think.
That's exactly what it is. People are gonna be using it and not knowing that they're really using it.
I mean, they'll probably know, but they'll probably know, but I don't know. We'll see. I can't wait for that to happen because they did get the green light. They did get the green light to start operating in crypto. So they start letting you hold crypto in your fucking Bank of America, or that's gonna fucking massive normally.
Bitcoin's pushing a little more.
Down?
Up.
But let's go.
Higher, baby.
See why we don't panic? Fucking turbo, man. Fuck me. I'm getting the notifications about this shit. I don't care.
You have a IOTA trade in O2?
Yes, sir. Low leverage.
Yeah.
I took that one yesterday at 21 cents flat.
Yes, right.
It ain't too far from my entry. Like I'm not up nothing. I'm still right there. Like honestly.
What's your target again on this one?
Oh, let me look. That's one of my ISO bets. That's why I asked that question too. It's funny you just brought that up.
I gotta get my hands on some of that.
At 22 cents. Just cent over here.
I would say first target is sitting at 31 cents to fill that wick that we had up on 3-3. Like I would say we fill that wick. So I'll say first target is 31 cents.
Okay.
And then second target, we could be conservative with second target too. We'll put that at 36 cents.
Mm-hmm.
And final target will be about 70.
Yeah. Okay. Like new all-time long.
Yeah. At least try to touch that. I said we get the 2 targets conservative, because that's we could see that we know price action will definitely fill that wick that we seen on 3-3. And then we could go up a little bit. As I'm looking at the volume node, there's a tiny little wick. A volume node sticking out at right above that block. At 3-4. We'll probably fill that too. So I'll have my 2 targets right there, just to have both of those hit. And after that, it's, like I said, there's no volume. This is gonna track to the next grouping, which will be all-time high.
Can't really adjust to 30 cents here.
That'll be shit. Even if we get to if we fill the wick, that's 35%. So I mean, that's why I have my first targets there. That's already on a 10x or even a 5x. That's already some bread. Take some profits there and then let it ride. If we hit even just back to 70 cents, that'll be 170% gain. But I like IOTA. IOTA is a sleeper. Like I've been eyeing all those coins that aren't really accessible to American markets yet, that actually are like of value. You know what I mean? Let's look up IOTA. Let's read about it. What the fuck?
So, just almost break even on Zed. Fucking bitch. Sorry. Thank you.
IOTA. IOTA tokens can be traded on centralized exchanges. Most popular exchange to buy IOTA is Binance, where the most active trading pair is IOTA USDT, MEXC, and HTX. What the fuck, ain't got no about on this shit?
You're reading that from like the info on Blowfin, or?
Oh, I'm going to CoinMarketCap. I was just on CoinGecko.
Got it.
I mean, you could read it there too. They have a little description too as well.
I don't mind like the info on BitGet, Dogecoin.
Yeah.
Helpful.
IOTA is a distributed ledger technology, DLT, that features unique architecture and an open source product suite for individuals, businesses, and institutions to use Web3. Bullish. It is built on a direct acrylic graph DAG, bullish, called the Tangle, and can be pictured as multi-dimensional blockchain. It enables the exchange of data and value on a decentralized platform through direct and secure transfers executed and immutable records on the network. That's bullish, I'm not gonna lie. DAG has actually been picking up a narrative too. Actually the freaking government has been actually using DAG. Together with the staggering network shimmer, IOTA aims to offer solutions to establish a secure and permissionless infrastructure that can drive the economy of the future. It enables development of decentralized applications through automated trust in the form of Ethereum-capable smart contracts, and advanced consensus algorithm, and thoughtfully balanced incentives. This is why we don't panic, boys. Boom back up. Y'all boys back even on Boom?
Yeah, half the battle is just like dealing with your emotions through the roller coaster ride. Literally. Every time I close trades, man, it's just because I was being emotional. Things reverse right after. So, man, get better at that.
What Bitcoin doing? Are we still live, Cream?
Yeah, we still live. My bad. I locked into this NASDAQ trade.
Yeah, you had to be over there cooking something.
Yeah, I just locked into this NASDAQ trade. We in the green right now. NASDAQ pushing up. I know big XRP pushing. I'm hearing y'all though. I'll just locked in real quick.
I knew you was loading up the chamber, boy. Snipe some shit.
Yeah, I'm in the green with this NASDAQ trade. Pushing higher. Here we go, NASDAQ. Push, baby, push. We in the green. I'm about to lock it in a second. Giving it more room to move. I'm up $50 for the day right now. Expected to go higher. Come on, baby, push. Let's see gold. Gold made lower low and I was ranging. Gold might go lower, man. I hope Presh, I hope you didn't go on tilt, my brother. Stop pushing.
I closed.
Oh, you're here.
I closed that trade.
Yeah, you.
I closed.
Good.
I closed that trade. I entered again just down there below. Yes, I entered at 3342.7.
All right, don't overtrade. Don't force trades now. I thought you left. I thought you just went on tilt. I'm not gonna lie. I said we lost Presh. He's probably pushing the button. He's probably pushing the button. Yeah, you gotta be careful with MetaTrader, right? Because you can blow your account super fast.
Yes. Well, you think it's going back up?
Gold is a tough call, man. Like I expect, I see. I remember I told you where I expected to go, where I anticipated to go. When it's gonna do it, I don't know, man. Looks like it has unfinished business to the downside. And the way the crypto market is pumping right now is kind of, start considering shorts maybe, or just wait on the sidelines, wait for some more action to tell you what it wants to do. Because it moved away.
It's still in accumulation. It's still in accumulation. This is what accumulation does to you, though, Presh. It's exactly what we was going through with the crypto market last week. Exactly what you're going through with Bitcoin right now. I mean, with gold right now.
And that's important too, to realizing what stage you in. Because sometimes you realize what stage you in when it's already too late, when you're already in. But as of for today, for the move for today, it looks like we might be bearish for today. Tomorrow might be another story or later on, but as of this morning, as you can see, it hit the discount of I forgot what day of the NWAG, tapped it and just completely started to dump from there. Let's see. Yeah, it hit premium actually of I don't know what this is. I think what day is this?
That's the premium annual of like July 12th.
13th, right? Like it kissed it and it completely started free falling out. Taking this out, took this out. I think next stop probably will be down here somewhere. 3332. I'm gonna swipe all that. See here. Wait for confirmation. Wait for fair value gap of some sort. Order block. Micromanaging the NASDAQ trade. We still in the green. I'm up $47 for the day. Might move my stop loss into profit. Risk-free trade.
Fucking Bitcoin playing right now. Bitcoin playing.
Zoom out for Bitcoin. Go to the 15. What's the 15-minute total? It's making lower lows. And there goes another low. Lower low. I think for the first low-lying fruit it could come grab is this 119.943 to come snatch that up, which happens to fall in a 1 hour fair value gap. For continued bullish momentum, what I like to see is maybe hit midway, equilibrium, tap it, and then just start building back up to the upside. Now if it starts violating it, now this indicated to what, that we're probably gonna go lower, right? So like maybe 117, maybe. That's like immediately what I see as no line of fruit right now. Let's see what price action gives us at 119.810. Come on, NASDAQ, don't start your shit. Pump, baby, pump. Higher, 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 baby, higher, higher.
I'm up like $12 now.
Lock that in, brother. Hey, you met your goal for the week. $10, man. Don't, you know.
$12.
Remember, have
that's my goal.
Have your
that's my goal
and stick to it. You don't have to trade for the rest of the day. Trade that blowfin. Pull out 10 and keep that extra $2 in there to compound your account slowly.
Right.
I'm about to activate my stop loss because this looks like it wants to go lower. God damn,
the first one almost cooked me.
Did you break even or did you take a small loss?
I just took, it touched my stop loss. So that was the first one.
So you broke even?
Yes. Yes, so I just had to look at it and enter again.
On what?
On gold.
Take this off. This off. Take this off. Start cleaning this up. Let's see, it hit the premium of this NVOG July 6th. You see there, saw that, right?
Yes.
Let's see if it continues building from there and nowhere near touches your stop loss.
No. I set my stop loss at about let me say 3347.2.
What was your, well, let me see, what was your entry?
My entry was 3341.6.
3341.6. Yo, bro, you're on fire, man, with these entries. I like to see something like this first. Whether it gives
Right? That was what I said too.
Whether it gives it to us, not sure, right? But I can see it. For a minimum target, something like that. Low lying fruit.
We just can't have for the day.
Might have got low of the day. What a scalp. Trade of the day goes to my man Press. She got 2 grand. Oh my god. Trading assassin. You got some assassins in here, man. Shout out to the Wolf. Yo, killing it, man. Fresh killing it. Johnny's killing it, man. Messi's over there signing mega million deals. He's on the phone. He's working in the background.
Let's go.
Let's go, Messi. Oh, he's talking to Blowfin right now. Blowfin, send us some merch. Stop playing.
Shout out to Blowy fan. Yo, check the chat. I put a meme. You'll like it.
Let's see. Got no chat.
The meme, I'm about to look him up.
Hash the plume sauce.
Chat.
I don't see it.
In the meme section.
Oh, meme. Bad.
Never seen it. I don't know nothing about it. I'm about to look it up too.
Yay. Who wants to pull that up? You want to pull that up, Otizo?
I'll pull it up on my phone. I got you.
Nasdaq took me out. What a piece of you some work, Nasdaq. You are some work. That's 2 break evens for me for the day. I might not trade Nasdaq for the rest of the day. I might be done. 2 break evens.
It's this one, right? This one, Messi?
Gay, huh? The XRPL?
The plum sauce or what?
No, he's looking
It looked plum sauce. It looked like some plum sauce. How many? 100 holders? What's the alpha on it?
Which one?
Gate.
Oh, I don't know. I saw Flint posted it.
Their X don't exist? Would they CTO in it?
It's probably one of those sleeper plays. The chart looks good, the daily chart. It's high risk for sure, but it's only got a 4K market cap, so back.
They got a website, but their X don't exist.
Their website looks clean.
Yeah, it do.
Okay.
Website definitely look clean. Let's see what's popping on the ledger. Fucking First Ledger lagging now. Yo, what the fuck happened to First Ledger?
Lock in those profits. Do not get back to the market.
First Ledger flagged out on me, it won't let me do nothing. Fucking First Ledger. Honestly, this is one to look at. I'm about to put a meme out. On the ledger. Check the VC chat for you.
Switch. I can't open the thing up. Probably find it what on First Ledger, right?
Yeah. You can't open it. Why you can't open it?
See, I got firewalls on this Apple computer.
That's probably why mine's tripping right now. Yeah, it's called Switch. David Schwartz, I guess, holds his token.
No way. Switch. What?
Yeah, it says it right here in the description. First Ledger token individually held by Ripple CTO David Schwartz.
Somebody please confirm that.
I've seen them post it on their profile. Like I follow them on Twitter. I done seen them post like when they sent it to them.
They got a bot on it. They got a.
There it is. I'm about to show you right now.
I see.
They go to tweet.
I see your bot. They got a bot on it. They got 2 bots. All right.
That's the tweet.
Switch. I see y'all. Let me see the tweet.
Is it time? They ain't even competing with Flippy. They shouting them out too. Is it time to Flippy the Switch? I ain't gonna lie.
David Schwartz received 1 million switch from the burn supply allocation, reducing the burn supply from 20,882 tokens to 19,882. David now holds 17,186 switch tokens, putting him with the big dogs in the top 3 wallets. So Schwartz, you better hold that bad boy and not dump it on the people's head, huh? It's a lot of responsibility for that, man. I got faith in my man Schwartz. I don't know. I like it. I think I might throw a couple in there. I like it. Just cause. Just cause.
It's a little cap. Yeah, that's one of them just cause them just cause plays.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, I see his wallet right here. He holds 17 mil. His wallet right here. REZ.
Who caught that? Who caught? You guys, man, that was a nice one. Matter of fact, I might put like 10, 15 XRP.
Yeah, that's his wallet right here. Yeah, his wallet is right here. It shows his picture and all when you click it.
What's it called?
Switch.
Oh, Switch. I put it in the VC chat.
Who called that one? You did, O2?
Yeah, I did it. I've been watching that. That's one I've actually been accumulating.
Hold on, let me put a disclaimer up quick.
Was it just launched now?
It didn't just launch.
Put a disclaimer.
But I put it in the VC chat. Check it out. Tell me what y'all think, because I mean y'all trade the ledger more than me, so I kind of want y'all opinion on it. But that's my narrative on it. I was just kind of giving y'all the clues on why I hold a little bit of it. Nothing crazy, but it's one of them ones where it's like, okay, like I said, just throw the narrative at it. You know what I mean? David Schwartz, I mean, I just looked it up. I just confirmed it too. He is in the top 5 holder. That's his wallet right there. That screenshot R8ZW. That's his wallet right there. You can see it on the holder list.
I ain't gonna lie, this might be one of them ones.
The nigga got 17, he holding 17 mil of it. Let's see what other tokens he got. I ain't gonna lie. He holds 33 draw. He holds Tabby. He got 8 million Tabby. He holds X Spectre too as well. Nox. NOX.
Not the OP they call you.
Yeah, he ain't really holding too much coins either in his wallet.
But Switch is in there for sure.
Yeah, Switch is in there. He's holding whatever love is. I mean, some of these don't even look like he's holding a lot of it. But he holds love, Nox, CSC, Switch, STX, Corium, X Spectre, Tabby, Sologenic, and Draw.
Okay, just wait, Trent. There's a lot going on here.
And he holds casino coin too as well.
Shout out to Schwartz, man.
But that Switch one definitely hold that mad boy. It's definitely in his wallet.
Yo, Schwartz, you're most welcome to pull up to the vote, man, and, you know, give us some alpha, bro. take some merch too. We'll take some Ripple merch.
What did you think about that one, though, Messi? If you looked at it or not, if you had the chance. I don't know if you did.
The one that Schwartz is in.
Mm-hmm.
And it hasn't ran yet.
It did in the past, but it's definitely at a low. Let me see. It definitely. Let me tell you. I'm gonna go on market cap. It's sitting at 152K right now. It ran up to goddamn 1.2 mil.
Yeah, I'm sure that's it would be even better if it was like something like live, like you guys just caught that. You know what I mean? But it's definitely worth a few bucks in for sure. I'd hold. I'll be right back, boys. Give me like 5 minutes.
No pressure. But there we go. My shit back on. Let me pull it up on live. Fucking First Ledger lagged me out. Well, it was tripping. Now it just popped up. I'll pull up Switch. Show the people what I'm looking at. Look up Switch. So we're looking at, we got 153K market cap, 43K liquidity. That's not bad either. It's not a bad market cap. They got Def holding 5%. About 589 million Switch living on the XRPL. First Ledger token individually held by Ripple CTO David Schwartz. Switch aims to expose the XRP ledger to hundreds of millions of people through mass marketing campaign, advertising both Switch and the XRPL in a ratio 1-to-1 ratio. We strive to give the individual holder the power of the Switch through the community-driven token mass exposure for the XRP starts here. Switch on XRP. Looking at the chart, let's go to the chart. Wow. Fuck. On whatever it did on launch. It launched back in October 19th, 2024. Shit, it had a nice pop off on the law. That's
when did you
pretty
say?
Nice. October 19th. 2024.
So that launch was when Ledger came out. First Ledger. I don't know.
Yeah, I wasn't around back here, so I don't know nothing. I didn't know nothing about it back here. I wasn't around the Ledger on this time.
Is that they might have changed their logo, huh? Because it used to.
No. I've seen it. I've seen it always like that though. Like I've actually been following this one probably from December. Yeah, I watched it do this.
There's another Switch out there, right? It's a little
Flippy. It's called Flippy though.
Oh, okay. That's probably what I'm thinking of.
You're talking about this one. What's ironic? This is ironic. You type in Switch and Flippy pops up too.
Yeah, that's
fucking ironic.
That's crazy, right?
But I know this one. I hold the NFT for this one, but this one, like I said, was a sleeper. Like I said, I don't hear nobody really blasting about this, and you know all that lore narrative. I fuck with how they're doing it. They're not rubbing that shit in people's face. You feel me? But it kind of broke down.
I would put on my watch list.
Yeah, I put it on your watch list. Go to the Twitter. Here's the narrative behind it. First Ledger token hold by it says the first Ledger asset with David Schwartz as a holder. And that could confirm. Let's go to the transaction. They got it on here. Here it is. A payment sent. They sent it on Friday, July 11th. So, can you tell me another token that he was holding before July 11th? Y'all gonna have it's TAC gonna have to let me know. But here go the memo and everything here. One switch delivered David Schwartz on the 11th of July. You see it here.
It's coded, bro.
1 million switch. His wallet is R8ZW. This is just a screenshot, but you know, us ledger heads like to have concrete. You don't see it with your eyes. So let's go to the holders.
Ledger don't lie.
R8ZW. That matches up. That's him right here, holding 17 mil. Let's go to his wallet.
Ledger don't lie.
Oh, there we go. Here's the bad boy himself.
So we're watching you, Schwartz. You dump it on our heads, we'll know it's you.
The bad boy himself.
The legend himself.
We go to his tokens he's holding. We got Love, Knox, CSC. This is an LP. Here goes Switcheroo. He actually holds more than what the fuck he sent. They actually been sending him more. He got 17 mil. Holy shit. Was Schwartz been buying this shit?
Schwartz, is that low key you, bro?
Hold on. Schwartz is buying this shit. They sent him 1 mil. But he's holding 17 mil.
No, it said he had 17 mil. On the description, I think, of First Ledger. That he was holding 17.
Oh yeah, it said David Schwartz now holds 17. Yeah. On the description of the tweet, yeah. It's time for Flippy. Shout out to Switch. They actually promoting Flippy too. Shout out to them. It is time to Flippy the Switch. David Schwartz received 1 million Switch tokens from the burn supply allocation, reducing the burn supply from blah blah blah. David now holds 17 Switch tokens, putting him up in the top dogs. Yep, top 3 wallets.
Let me see how much 10 XRP will get me. Where am I?
He also holds CX1, ROUSD, STX, Core, X Spectre, Tabby. He holds how much is 8 million Tabby? Is that a lot?
I don't know.
I'm gonna check that out next. He holds some Tabby. And he holds 33 drop. So shout out to drop.
Yo, Switch. Schwartz got a nice position.
David Schwartz holding his token. Huh?
David Schwartz got a nice position in Switch. Top holder. Damn. I would have to throw in 100 XRP to get 1 million Switch. I don't know. This might be a play, man, to be honest with you. Not this NFA, right? Hold on. Let me put the disclosure back up. Hold on. I'm not trying to hurt the people. Well, we're doing the research right here in front of y'all. 100% transparency. This might be a play.
$8 million Tabby. Let's see how much that is.
You ever get that feeling that this is just something that you just have to do, and you just gave me that feeling with that coin. Even just to hold a small position of it.
Shit, he holds a lot of Tabby too. 8 mil Tabby. Make sure I'm getting that correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah.
Press, you still here?
He holds a lot of Tabby. He holds 1.4 3K worth of tap.
I'm watching the price movements.
You still in?
Yes, I'm still
in the gold.
Yes, I'm still up. I just set my stop loss, and I don't know what gold is about doing right now. I hope it doesn't close me. And I needed to go. I needed to go. If it just gets to the today day open, then I'll just close my phone. I'm done for the day. But like that's my plan. If it just even gets to the day open, the discount, and I'm done.
Right.
I can just get there.
Definitely for the gold market in your MT4 account, definitely just chill out, reset, and give it another go tomorrow. But that's what I'm doing. I took 2 break evens on Nasdaq. I'm walking away because I don't want to FOMO in or make a mistake. But look at gold. Gold ripping. Look at gold.
I just hope that it just gets there. If it gets there, man, I'm done for the day. Because, man, I just hope it gets there, man.
Win or lose,
brother. My stop loss. Is there any trade in Glowfin to jump in, or XRP trade?
They called out O2, called out Plum. Metsy confirmed that one.
Yeah, it's holding weight. Like everything is going up and down, and we still, it's right there, right? Y'all should still be right at entry, right?
Is it still a good time to enter Plum?
I'm in profit right now.
Okay, yeah, see.
Oh, that's because I scaled in. What am I talking about?
That's good though. It's still right there at that range though. I'm right there at even too as well. So you should have bid it. Like if you didn't scale in, you probably would still be in profit.
Low leverage that bad.
Yep, low leverage swing that bad boy. If we ain't hitting the validations, we good. And as you see, as I'm looking at it, price action doesn't look like it wants to swing towards my invalidation anyway, so I ain't even worried about it. Well, right now, to say, until hopefully things don't change, but we looking good.
Boys, I just bought some Switch, man.
I mean, I see it curving up. I mean, you can see it. You see it in volume. The volume picking up. Like it is kind of low cap. It's not too low to where it's like, oh shit, you feel me? But it is low enough to where, like I said, even from here, to get back to even 500K market cap, like that's a game.
Oh yeah.
You know. I hold some though, so I've been watching, but I like it that it's a sleeper that is not getting ransacked down on them boys. But they interact with me, like the Twitter itself, the X Twitter itself, they interact with me before in the past. I actually want one of their hoodies. I meant to say that too. Let's go to their website. Check out their website because they do have a website too.
And done deal. Secured. Alright.
go to website.
Riding. This their website?
Yep.
Hey, man.
I ain't gonna lie, it kind of looked like XRP, bro. Like, this looked like XRP, like how the blocks be and shit.
You're not Slick Schwartz. We know it's you, bro. Come out.
They got the tokenomics and shit here. If that fancies anybody. Burns giveaway airdrops. All that extra shit. They got their roadmap. The website clean, boy.
DC hate a couple XRP, nothing crazy, but I'm in there.
They got the developer wallet over here too. Developer holds a couple things too. Developer holds a shit ton of Britto. Sure. Oh shit. Who is this dev?
I like Schweppin. I have some Schweppin. Oh, he got Bear. Shout out to Bear.
Got a okay bag. 38k.
That's about like what, 50 XRP maybe?
Yeah, something like that. I think Britto might be as big as, how much is Britto? A million Britto. Is a million Britto a lot?
I'm not sure, but I know Britto ran up. Numbers might have changed.
This is the developer wallet. Interesting. Interesting. Switch. I don't know. Hopefully it's one.
Why am I stuck on the screen? Oh, here we go.
Yo, shout out to them though, bro. Check them out though. Even on their Twitter, bro. This is what it means to not be tribalism. Look at this. Check this out.
Hold on, you got something?
Yeah, check it out. I'm on the Switch Twitter right now. Shout out to them. Look at that. Switch is loading. ... Things. This thing looks like it's about to rip like Flippy. Shout out to Flippy. And he tagged Flippy. Like, this is untribalism of the month. Like, yeah, this is how you move. Look at Flippy. Flip it. This is how you work and build the fucking ledger. Ain't all that fighting and all that, you know what I mean? Same narrative, same flip of the switch, you know what I mean? They working together. Shout out to these boys though. I like it.
Just got me a little bag of Switch. Shout out to Switch. Shout out to O2.
Flippy the Switch. Boy, yeah, even Switch, I mean Flippy doing it. Check that out. If you know, you know. I'm pretty sure a lot of Flippy people don't understand this.
Get it? Flip the Switch? Get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What the fuck? What? Look at that.
Bitcoin plan. Fucking Bitcoin plan.
Well, we got XRP current price $295. That's what's up. 19. Oh, look. Look. Hit midway. This fair value gap. Let's see, it continues. Look, kissed it. Good stuff, man. Good stuff.
What's that?
I'm just forwarding Bitcoin. Forward.
I don't like why gold is moving like this, man. Go up, babe.
You know exactly why. It's consolidating. Frame it out.
What's literally?
Let's frame it out. Let's see what's up. Let's start here. Let's start with the 1 hour. Let's measure this wick out. Look what it did, Fred. Tap the premium of this NWAG, July 6th. What is the, to see what the bodies are throwing. If the body closes at least above this candle's body, definitely I would consider keep holding that long. Come at least sweep this candle's high on the 1 hour. But let's measure the body. No coincidence that both bodies are respecting each other.
Yes.
Which is telling me it's balanced price range in that.
And it's supposed to be crypto week or something. What's going on this week?
I heard something like that.
Because if this was the ISO 2020, whatever the fuck pump we supposed to get, this was food.
Expected more, right? Expected to wake up at 589.
$5.89.
Shit, I'll take that. I'm mad at it. Look fresh. See this candle? How we measuring it out? I want to see it close above here. Close here. So far, this wick is doing some damage.
It's doing serious damage.
If it start come revisiting over here, the low end of this body here, I definitely consider come take out at least this low for now. Which would suck for you, right? Because your entry is over here.
Yeah, it's just there, exactly there.
But I want to see you respect this Wix candle.
Hello.
So it looks like we in some consolidation phase. You might have to wait this one out. But we here, right? Now we're in the 1 minute. Now we're all the way through. So what I'm gonna do,
this is literally.
I'm gonna measure this leg, right? I measured it from top of the swing high, swing low. Equilibrium effect is where here.
Where's the equilibrium?
Right here. Now I want to see it start building up, not down, up. This is still permissible. Come sweep this. Minor sell side. But don't let this scare you, right? If it comes down over here, like under this equilibrium, because what it's doing is it's trading internal range. Where's the range? Right here and here. This one high and this one low. It's trading internal range now. Not really moving, not really going anywhere. Accumulating buys and sells.
This is the accumulation stage before the distribution.
Yes. So if it comes sweep this minor sell side over here, this low lying fruit, it's permissible. I like it. We got a runaway fair value gap here. Even to come even tap this fair value gap, come tap it. It's also permissible. But if it starts coming anything lower than that, you already want to be out. You do not want to be wasting your time at this point. Secure your profit. Have your stop loss ready, at least under this candle right here. Like right here, have your stop loss here. Put this in the chat. Let's see if this one's a home run for you.
What you looking at? Go?
Yeah, go. So we got a target here, and then this one final target. But if you all the way up here, I think you might hold out for the rest of the week. Obviously trailing that stop loss. Yeah, but let's go back to the 1 hour. This should be your focus here, because you already did the lower time frame charting. This candle right here will dictate where the market wants to go. And you might have to sit this one out all day till it finally goes. Definitely micromanage it. You try to capitalize on most of your profit and not sit and know this all day just to break even. You know what I mean?
Yes.
What time is it? 11:55. Getting about that time, fellas. You got anything over there, O2?
Just don't get chopped up. If you're entering now with leverage, I would enter in with low leverage, as low as possible, unless you have capital to scale in on a dip. Other than that, safe trading.
Fresh, any concerns, questions, concerns, anybody?
I just want gold to go up right now.
Shit, I wanted to go with you, brother.
I wanted to dump so we could go up in crypto.
Yeah. Either way, safe trading, fellas.
Yes, sir.
Peace, family. Peace to the fam. Messi, you still here? Any last words? Nope. Peace, y'all.
Yo, probably about to go grab some food too.
Yeah, man.